Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing 5 steps to kickstart your engineering career in India. Whether you're just starting out or looking to switch industries, these tips will help you get your engineering career off to a strong start. Step 1. Get a strong education. The first step to kickstarting your engineering career in India is to get a strong education. This means choosing the right engineering program and investing in your education. Consider factors like the reputation of the program, the job prospects for graduates, and the cost of tuition. It's also a good idea to get hands-on experience through internships or co-op programs. Step 2. Build your network. Networking is an essential part of any career, and engineering is no exception. Start building your network as early as possible, whether through industry events, professional organizations, or networking groups. This will help you to connect with other professionals in the field, get job leads, and learn about new opportunities. Step 3. Gain relevant experience. Experience is crucial in the engineering field, and you should start building your resume as soon as possible. Consider taking on internships or co-op positions to gain hands-on experience and build your skills. You can also consider volunteering or working on side projects to demonstrate your expertise and passion for engineering. Step 4. Stay up to date with industry trends. The engineering field is constantly evolving, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. This can help you to stay competitive and increase your chances of getting hired. Consider subscribing to industry publications, attending conferences, and participating in professional development opportunities to stay current. Step 5. Keep an open mind. Finally, it's important to keep an open mind as you start your engineering career in India. There are many different types of engineering jobs out there, and you may find that you enjoy a different area of the field than you initially thought. Keep an open mind and be willing to explore different opportunities as they arise. Conclusion. We hope that these 5 steps have helped you to kickstart your engineering career in India. Remember to invest in your education, build your network, gain relevant experience, stay up to date with industry trends, and keep an open mind. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to a successful and fulfilling engineering career. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more career advice and tips.